Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you step-by-step process on how to change your Snapchat password. So let's dive into our video. Let's begin from the home screen of our mobile phone. Open your Snapchat application and make sure you are already logged into your account. Tap on the profile at the top left corner. Next, you have to tap on the gear icon to access the settings. Now you'll get to see this interface. Just scroll down and select the password section. Now you have to type in your current password, then tap on continue. So this is the part where you type in your new password. Here at the first bar you have to type in your new password. You have to confirm your password by retyping it. Then click on save. So you can see your password has been updated or changed. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next video and thank you for watching.